Welcome to the 2019 Rolex New York Yacht Club Invitational Cup, where anticipation has been building among 20 top international teams in preparation for this first day of racing.
It's day one. We're just going to try to go out there, sail clean, and it's a long week, so it's a marathon, not a sprint, and just going to take it race by race.
Finally, in the only race of the day, the Japanese team managed to find the right path on the racetrack and took the lead. In the end, the Japanese Sailing Federation's team finished first. The first-time Invitational Cup competitors from San Diego Yacht Club wound up in second place, and the Italians from Yacht Club Costa Smeralda were close behind in third. Day one was a slow but nonetheless successful start for the Japan Sailing Federation.
Didn't want to take a risk today. In the beginning of series, we started from not to start from the conditions, and then we got good wind shift, and we could maintain the first position.
Stay tuned as the breeze and the action are expected to build for day two of the 2019 Rolex New York Yacht Club Invitational Cup. The 2019 Rolex New York Yacht Club Invitational Cup is brought to you by Rolex, sponsored by Helly Hansen, and supported by North Sails and Team One Newport. This regatta is hosted by the New York Yacht Club, celebrating 175 years of yachting innovation and leadership.